Good morning! Welcome to another episode of Mowers and Blowers! I have today another weekend product review. Today and yesterday has been a very rainy day and we're expecting more rain today. I've got this new product here from my friends over at VEVOR. I'm going to open it up real quick and show you what it is. It's a collapsible 53-gallon rain barrel. So, for survivalists, doomsday preppers, kind of like me, I'm kind of a doomsday prepper. You always think about what you can do using the free water you get from Mother Nature, rainwater, and storing it for future use, survival. Or if you're camping and you need water, catching the rainwater is a primary way for you to get potable water. Fortunately today, it's raining all day. We're gonna try to catch some water in here so I can show you how it works. I'm gonna put it together real quick. So here it is, really easy to put together. You put those orange shafts in there, like that, with the bottom legs. It's made of very high quality, thick rubber-ish type material. It has a little meter that tells you how much water is in here. Inside, the rubberized bladder that holds the 53 gallons of water. It has two water spigots, one on the very bottom where you can connect a hose with a quick disconnect type. You add this to your water hose, garden hose, quickly connect it onto it, and you can open up the valve so that the pressure of the 53 gallons of water will push good water pressure on the very bottom. So you can use this to spray your lawn, rinse off your car, clean up dust. If you're camping and you need water to boil, there's a mid-range water spigot here where you can turn off and on and fill your containers with water. If it rains for like a month and the water level goes to the very top, it has an overflow valve over here where you can connect another hose to it and have it drain away from the area with a small little filter there. We're going to close this up on the top. And as you can see, 53-gallon rain barrel. This is where the water goes in. So along with the barrel, it did come with some Teflon tape to secure leaks in the threads of these spigots, two patches, two glue containers to patch up leaks and cracks along the way. These are planting labels that you jab into the ground. Whether you use this for a permanent water source for gardens, out in the field somewhere, you can label what's what. I'll never use these Maybe if I have a leak, I'll use these. So in the picture, a good way to source this rainwater quickly is through your gutter system of your house. Well, as you can see, mine has a diverter on the very bottom to divert water away from the house. Being that this thing is 3 feet tall, I'm not gonna cut my gutters and put this underneath so that the water drips into this hole. When it rains hard, water splashes down all in this area, not so much just that. I'm gonna put some kind of a homemade funnel, sits right on top of here and diverts the water that falls here right into the barrel. I just had some of my strawberry shortcake, and this cover will make an excellent funnel to trap as much water into this area and right into my rain barrel. Gotta make a hole first. So as you can see, it's not raining now, but water is slowly trickling into here. And we'll try to fill this up today as much as we can. We are expecting rain for the entire day. I made sure both of those spigots are shut off so that water doesn't come out and it gathers water slowly. I doubt we're going to be able to make it this high for today's video. Maybe I'll let it fill up for an entire week. Actually, you know, even without the funnel, if you look, the whole top is like a funnel. So any water that lands on that area is going to flow right into here. So we'll just let it run this way. It's the next day. It didn't rain as much as I thought. Only some water. Very little. I wanted to show you the pressure of the water that came out of the nozzles when it's completely full. So the water pressure that comes out of here is going to be dependent on how full your rain barrel is. Obviously, if it's completely full, you'll have the weight of the water creating the pressure that comes out of here. If it's very low, it'll probably just trickle out. But if it's got a full tank here, it'll probably come out pretty well. You know, for like a hand wand shower or something like that outdoors, if you needed to. But this is a great thing to have in cases of emergencies, natural disasters, camping, living off the grid, that kind of thing. And you ready for this? It's like 30 bucks. Really important and inexpensive item to have in cases of emergencies. If you guys would like one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks a lot for joining me on another weekend product review. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you great product reviews like this one. Have a great day. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey guys and gals, I'm JB from Garage Gear, and we'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.